Ito yung video footage na kuha sa CCTV na nakasakay sa bus ang mga bata. Nang muntik na sila mag-aksidente at nagpanik na ang driver at nagsigawan ng mga bata. At bigla nawala or naglaho ang mga bata nakasakay sa bus. Ano kayo misteryo na babalot sa loob ng bus?
Is everybody okay? Kids! Kids! Listen, the bus, the kids, they're gone.
What do you mean they're
They're
gone?
gone. I was just driving down the street. I look up and they're gone. It was just vanished. I couldn't believe it.
Okay,
There's no
cut